All right, who's ready for some craftiness? So probably we all have some stray socks hanging around, and maybe you've got some bits of yarn or ribbon or even old hair ties or something that could be cut apart. This could be hair. We're gonna make a puppet, so this is gonna be hair. And then if you've got buttons, these can be eyes, or if you've got googly eyes or anything that kind of looks like an eyeball, we can use that for eyes. And if you're going to sew on the buttons, you're gonna need some needle and thread. Once you have those things, meet me back here. Okay, so I know that some of you may want to do a glue gun rather than sewing. I thought I'd just show you real quick how I did the sewing. It's basically just sewing on a button. So if you haven't done that before, you probably want the help of an adult just to get you started. So you want to make a fairly good knot in the end, and then you're going to just grab the front of that sock with your needle and go up through one of the holes. And then this button has 4 holes. So I'm gonna go diagonally across, and basically I'm gonna be making an X. So I go down through the hole into the front part of the sock, and then I'm gonna keep doing that in an X pattern. And then eventually I'll be able to make a knot and cut that off. And over here I've got some tails where I've done it on the other side. I'm going to trim those off. And I've also sewn the hair on the same way, but like I said, you can hot glue this just as easily. And you don't have to use buttons. You can use anything you've got around. You could use a bottle cap, you could use pennies, you can use whatever you want that's I like. You could just surprise me, be really creative. I'd love to see your designs when you're finished. Some of the things that you can do with these are obviously have a puppet show. If you've got a couple of socks, you could maybe have a friend or a brother or sister, probably brother or sister in this case, do a puppet show with you. You could have your puppets read. That's always kind of fun too. Do a voice and have your puppets read to you. Whatever you do, have fun.